Assalamu alaikum. Okay, so today I have a bottle of Oud Stallion, which is a perfume by Maison Crivelli. It's actually one of the most talked about perfumes at the moment. I've actually gone for a 50 ml bottle, reason being it fits nicely into a toiletry bag. So I'm going to unbox this right now. So this is actually a niche luxury perfume. So like I said, it's quite widely spoken about, and I've had to obviously give this one a try. Let's get it open. So they normally retail at around £350 for the 100 ml bottle. I'm gonna get this open. So it's got the normal packaging as you'd expect. It's got some text at the back which says purebred saffron, cardamom, nutmeg, spicy rains in the saddle, Oud Stallion, animalic rose, under the stars, orders, stride. Basically a little bit about it. Let's keep that there. Let's get the perfume open. It's got the Maison Crivelli's stamp over there, like the seal, which is quite good. So straight away when you open it, it's a normal bottle as you'd expect from Maison Crivelli. Really nice. I really like the green bottle and the silver grey lid to it. It's got a very simplistic look to it. It's got the Maison Crivelli stamp at the top, which is quite good. So this was actually created by a perfumer called Jordi Fernandez. So he created this for Maison Crivelli, and it's meant to be inspired by a smelling oud wood while attending a horse race. So that's basically what it's inspired by. So I want to give this a go, but the idea behind this perfume is like a smoky, leathery, spicy, woody, luxury effect. Let's give it a spray. So straight away, the spray is quite nice, quite good. Smelling the perfume, you can. So what I'd say it smells like is definitely saffron, cardamom, maybe some nutmeg. Yeah, definitely. It seems quite good. So it's got like a dark, leathery, spicy vibe to it. It's definitely like a little bit of smoky to it. 100% smelled very, very luxurious. Something that's going to be hopefully long lasting. Just having a quick read of this. It's got 70% volume of oil inside this, so very high in oil. It's not a sweet Middle Eastern style oud, but still more. It smells more like an expensive leather, polished wood. But very good. Again, if you get the opportunity to smell this or buy this, it's definitely something that is very good. So I went for the F50 ml. It fit nicely in my toiletry bag when I'm traveling. Definitely give this a go. Oud Stallion.